Santana Park. Oh, way they go. Mamaya, pass to begin. And on the outside is So Gorgeous. Running by the rail is Jackson Jazz and Special Best. Passing for the judges stand for the first time. Mamaya, leading by some 4 lengths, followed by So Gorgeous. And running in third by some 7 lengths, Jackson Jazz and Special Best. And going along for the first turn, Mamaya, still leading the pack by some 5 lengths, followed by So Gorgeous. And running in third by some 7 lengths, Jackson Just moving a Special Best. Working towards the back. And still entry number 3, Mamaya, still leading by some 5 lengths, followed by So Gorgeous. And a long way back to entry number 2, Jackson Just and Special Best. And it's still Mamaya by only 3 lengths. Then here comes So Gorgeous getting closer in second. Jackson Just remains in third by some 7 lengths and Special Best. And rounding the far turn, it's still Mamaya, still leading by only a length and a half. Then here comes Miles, Bakal Pilapil Mount. This one is So Gorgeous, moving up now to grab the lead. And running in third, Jackson Just and Special Best. As the race, the final corner, it's now So Gorgeous is now leading the pack by some 4 lengths. Mamaya draws back in second, and running down on the inside, Jackson Just, and nearing the finish line itself, So Gorgeous coming home with an excellent stride. And finally, So Gorgeous, Jackson Just, Mamaya, and Special Best.